Today we're going to learn about the Hue floor plan here in Cotino Rancho Mirage. This is one of the 2 models of the villa collection available on site. Just so we're clear, there are 3 floor plans in this collection of villas. At this time, this is the lowest price point in Cotino, and we're going to be focusing on the Hue floor plan, which at this time offer an excellent location near Cotino's lagoon and amenities. In the green, you can see where the 55 plus zoned homes will be. Cotino Bay Beach is the public area. Club Beach is where the members will have their space. And towards the south section of the lagoon is where you'll find the all ages villas, the dog park, and more future condominiums. Exact details on the condominiums have not yet been released, but as you can see, they will be beachfront properties with up close and personal, exciting views of the action. As soon as I gather more information about these condominiums, I'll be sure to include it here on my landing page, which is totally free. You don't have to subscribe to a newsletter. You don't have to be bothered by ads. This is a totally unrestricted landing page resource for you to study everything there is to know about Cotino. All the upgrades and improvements. I'm here weekly at Cotino. You can catch it all here. In the description box below is where you'll find the link. Now, before we walk through this Hue floor plan, part of Cotino's villa collection, I want to point out the top 5 selling points attached to this home. This is not a home where the amenities feel separate from your daily life. From here, you are close enough to enjoy the lagoon, the community energy, and the resort style amenities without having to make it a production. That walkability is a major part of the appeal. This is what I would call right-sized living. You're not sacrificing comfort, but you are also not buying more house than you need. It is large enough for everyday living, guests, hobbies, or a home office, but still compact enough to feel easy to maintain. The heart of this floor plan is the open kitchen, dining area, and great room. Everything connects naturally, and then it extends right out to the covered outdoor living space. That gives the home a much larger feel than the square footage alone suggests. What makes this home compelling is that you're getting a premium lifestyle package in a more manageable footprint. You have the smart home technology, energy conscious features, quality kitchen finishes, and a modern desert design, but in a home that is built for easy everyday living. These villas are built by Shea Homes, and that matters. Shea is one of the largest private home builders in the country, but more importantly, they have a strong local track record here in the Coachella Valley. I've worked around Shea communities like Trilogy La Quinta and Polo Club for over a decade, and in my experience, Shea has earned an excellent reputation for build quality and community design. And now I'm going to leave you with the full walkthrough video and some bossa nova. Remember to use the description box below to find my phone number or a link to my Cotino home buying study guide. It's typically a lot more productive if you schedule a tour of the models and the amenities here with my sales representative, Anthony. Cotino pays me a 3% referral for every prospect who ends up buying a house who used me as their referral. The money comes directly out of the marketing budget that Cotino has. This does not come out of your wallet. The more money I earn from your referrals, the better sales presentation that I could build for Cotino to make it easier for incoming buyers to see what's going on, to get some information from someone who doesn't work at Disney, who's just a local real estate agent who loves to storytell and who loves real estate. So he spends a lot of time here at Cotino. I like to stay close to places that sell itself. I'm just here to explain the opportunity, and that's really my job here. But I would like to get paid, so please just let them know when you're there. You will love my YouTube videos. You're here to look at properties because of Mark's YouTube videos and demand that I am put down as your referral. Like I said, would suggest you work with Anthony because I've already vetted Anthony. Anthony is prepared. Anthony is kind. Anthony is not pushy. He is easy to talk to. I would suggest you calling me or Anthony. My number is in the description box, then I can connect you with Anthony, or I'll meet you there. We can walk through the models together with Anthony. Whatever it takes for me to get that referral, please, I'm begging you. I want to make more videos. I want to spend even more time here at Cotino. I love it here, and I know you will too. Anyways, thanks for making it this far through my video, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Talk to you later.